so basically I'm going to do a healthy spaghetti bolognese. First of all, I'm going to be using a fry light oil, which is better for your health. Alright. Once you spray it in about 3 to 4 times, turn on your stove on a medium sized heat. And what I'm going to do is cut up 2 medium sized red onion. So that's the red one. And we got about 6 cloves of garlic. We're going to be using it. Because it's simple to cut them up. Six cloves of garlic. Two hundred and 50 grams of British good mince meat. Really nice. This is some beef season, teaspoon. tablespoon of all-purpose season. Some mixed herb. It's gonna take a little time and brown off, you know. Nice. Look at that. Beautiful. Italian mixed herb. Pasta mixed herb. Pasta mix meal. Just gonna put some of this. Little bit of pepper. Pinch of the natural blending season. Nice. So there it is. The meat has brown off now. So I'm just gonna put another bottle of sauce to it. You can get the bolognese sauce in the supermarket to buy, and that's what I'm just using, you know what I mean, because it's very easy and handy. So I'm just gonna pour this bucket inside of it, and then I'm just gonna wash up my bucket. Add a little bit of water to the buckle and just add it to it. Look at that. So we basically just want this to cook down now. Beautiful and nice. So you just want that to cook and simmer. We're gonna turn on the stove to about 2. Beautiful. So this is the way how you can cook healthy at home. No oil. Ten more minutes and it's good to go. Nice, I love it. So this is the #1 bolognese recipe from Chef Ricardo. This is finished. Look at that, rich and nice. Please enjoy the recipe, guys, and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Leave a comments in the description box. Please tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. #1 bolognese recipe from Chef Ricardo. Stay tuned. I was born and grew up in Jamaica. I grew up with my grandma and my dad and my mom, and they're the one who inspired me to be a chef. And now I serve a purpose in this world. The purpose is for me to share